morning. Welcome to our show E-Science. My name is Sara, and today some students of Cideb are going to talk about the effects of chemistry in the modern world. Each one has an interesting topic to talk about that involves chemistry so deeply. The first one is Linda, and she's going to talk about the global warming. Next to you, Linda.
Global warming refers to an increase in Earth's mean global temperature because a part of Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere. Climate is the product of complex interactions among physical, chemical, and biological processes occurring at many scales in the atmosphere.
They also study the effects of processing on the appearance, taste, aroma, freshness, and vitamin and mineral content of food. Some food chemists are involved in testing samples to ensure compliance with food safety standards, with others experiment with new foods, add additives and preservatives. Food chemists work with everything from raw agricultural materials to consumer and use products. Contribution of chemistry in medicine. The words medicine and drug are often used in our country to mean the same substances. Any substance manufactured artificially which can help recovery from sickness, relieve symptoms, or modify a natural process in the body. A medicine is often a mixture of several chemical compounds. Even if it has only one active component compound of the other substances are used as filters or blenders to give it bulk. Chemistry, the science related to chemical substances, provide us the tools to make and study the substances that are the constituents of almost all medicines. The past 100 years or so, ever since the advent of organic chemistry, many chemical compounds have been discovered in nature that are effective for curing diseases. Modern chemistry has also made it possible to scientists several medicines using methods or organic chemistry.
Chemical warfare agents use poisons that kill, injure, or incapacitate. Chemical warfare agents can be gases, liquids, or more commonly dispersed as aerosols. There are many ways that the chemical warfare agents can enter to your body, but there are ones more similar, like the inhalation through the lungs, the inhalation by the mouth, the injection through the puncture of the wound, and the absorption of the skin. There are different classes of CW agents. One of them are choking gases, lung irritants, blister agents, blood agents, nerve agents, and incapacitants and physical active chemicals. War gases are like evil elephants. When they are under control, they are impressive and strike fear into the enemy. But when out of control, they can be bad for both sides. Chemical warfare was introduced into the First World War. The French fired tear gas rifle grenades in November 1914. The first major gas attack was at the Second Battle of the Ypres, Belgium on 22 April 1915, in which chlorine gas was released from cylinders and was used by the Germans in an assault on Allied trenches. The gas was very effective, but it killed 500 and scaring 10,000. Here are some images of chemical warfare agents.
Hello, good morning. My name is Anna, and I'm going to talk about the three possible solutions to combat the pollution. The first is individual, and it consists of the decrease of the use of the car because it liberates many gases that contaminate the atmosphere. The second
involves the building of big complexes in which many people will live occupying less space. And the third is level country, and it consists of the planting of 5 trees per each tree that is cut in the world. Thank you.
Entering this new era is so important for us because it contributes in all the fields like medicine, technology, agriculture, energy, and food. Sciences require chemistry to improve their products. Everything has a relation with chemistry even if we don't notice it. This science helps us improve our quality of life, but also has its negative side like the chemical warfare and the consequences that the bad use of resources have caused. One of these consequences is global warming and greenhouse effect. We are the cause of these consequences, but we are also the solution for the planet.
We're finished for today. See you tomorrow in another session of eScience. Goodbye!
Goodbye!